not. Where's Michael? Here you go. So guys, Ollie's actually just walked past us. We're in quite a good hiding place at the moment.
He's right over where we were the first time.
So he's over there somewhere. He's near the thing. I might stand up. I see something. I don't know if it's him or not. I think I see him. Was he wearing a brown jacket? Huh?
What?
I think I see him. Because I see like a jumper and then like a skin colour. But it's like going... Oh, I see him. I saw movement. He's coming, Michael. He's actually coming. I'm actually in a low chance to get hit because I'm actually in some trees. I think I saw him. I think he's going. Oh, he's coming. He's coming. He's looking right down where I normally hide. He's got his gun. He's got his gun. I think he sees. Watching, so see you, that was part 3. We don't know if there's a don't know if there's a part 4. So yeah, bye.